What's up, party people? Joel from SparkReceipt, and today I'm going to show you how to scan receipt and convert that to a Excel file. There's many ways to scan receipts. I'm going to use the mobile application now, but you can use the web application as well, and you can mass upload up to 50 documents at once. But let's see how we can do this in mobile app. So I just scan the receipt, confirm the edges. Then the OCR does a bit of thinking and categorizes the receipt automatically. And that is super fast, as you can see, and everything is always correct. And I will just add my payment method, which is reimbursement. And here I can add multiple pictures if I need to, but this is basically done in the mobile app. Hi again. Now at the web application, I can see immediately that my receipt here as a test receipt. Then I go to reports, create new custom report. I will take any type with a tag test, and I will do that as an Excel spreadsheet. That should do the trick. And now I'm going to download that. And ta-da! Here I have the receipt that I just scanned here in Excel, where there is all the categories, currency, total, tax rate, payment method. And also there's a link to that receipt in our web application. So anyone with this Excel can also see the actual receipt. And this is how you convert your receipts and categorize those automatically and convert those to Excel file. Okay, thank you. Bye.